here, and if you're a car guy or girl, you kind of know that when you're traveling anywhere, knowing what's ahead of you, what are the hazards, what are the cops, what are the closures, where the traffic is really, really important. And that's why, even though I run a Valentine V1, I also have Waze that I'm always running on a second phone, or my first phone. But the problem with that is you kill your battery. Well, guess what? If you have iOS 12 and CarPlay, you're in business, because Waze now integrates fully into CarPlay. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I have a Valentine V1, which is an amazing radar detector. And in fact, if you want to see a video I did on radar detectors, take a look at the card above. But I have that, and I think it works really well with Waze. And so what I'm going to show you now is the new iOS 12 integration of Waze directly, so you can see all the hazards, all the road closures, and yes, the cops that are waiting for you in that ridiculous speed trap. So let's take a look on the inside and see what Waze now looks like in iOS 12 and CarPlay. So let's jump inside Purple Monte, and I'll show you what this now looks like. Okay. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the car on. It's going to come up, and we start off in the Lamborghini menu. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach CarPlay. We're going to use the Lamborghini menu, and we're going to select CarPlay, and there you have it. So there's CarPlay on the Lamborghini Huracan Performante's dashboard. Now, the cool thing is we've got Waze. You can select it, and oh my God, there it is. There is Waze, and I'm going to zoom out here just a little bit, and you can see that you've got Waze natively. Now I'm going to do a couple of other things here. If you see right in the corner here, you can actually tag police, accidents, traffic, and hazards, kind of like what you could do on the phone. And you could still enter it from the phone, but now you have the capability of doing it right from within Apple CarPlay. The other thing you can do is you can actually use a voice function within Waze to get directions and so on. So let's see if we can try that. Yep. So you have to enable the microphone within Waze, and that's what we're going to do. So now we can go back to the dashboard here. Okay, Waze.
I'm here. Where would you like to go?
Generosta Coffee House.
Okay, Generosta Coffee, 901 Warrendale Village Drive, Warrendale. Is that right?
Yes.
You're all set.
And guys, there you go. You have it literally put into the system. So I'm going to zoom around here and zoom in to show you the overall view of it. And it's really amazing that you have full audio control, and you can see all the features that you would see on your smartphone now here. It has the time of arrival, the time to the destination, the distance, and a turn-by-turn, including the overview that you can see here, which is just pretty awesome. You have all the functionality that you would have on your phone now in iOS. So to me, that is honestly a game changer. The same is true for Google Maps. I can show you that in a second. Let's go back out to, we're going to go stop just to get out of this and go back to the menu. And again, you can put Google Maps, and actually you can arrange it in your iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You can have it on the main screen or the second screen, and I think this is truly a game changer of an application. So I'm really psyched for the new iOS 12. If you haven't upgraded to it yet, I suggest you go ahead and do it right away, because this is definitely the way to go. And there's WhatsApp. So Spotify, you name it, it's now there in iOS 12, guys. So one of the things you guys are going to want to do is to go into CarPlay. It's connected here with the Lamborghini. And on this page, you see the two pages that you have. You can actually arrange or rearrange. So I'm going to put Waze. I'm going to drag Waze onto the first page. So you can move it over here, and you can put it wherever you want. And I think I want Google Maps back on the first page too. So I'm going to drag this over and put it right there. And I really don't want to use Apple Maps so much, so I'm going to I want to drag it to the next page, the second page. So there. And then we can take Spotify and bring it over to the first page, like right there. So that's really cool. So now if you look in the system, you can see it mirrors exactly what we've done in the CarPlay app. Pretty cool stuff. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's quick and dirty. It's the new iOS and Waze integration into CarPlay. I think it's a game changer. And in fact, because there are going to be other apps, and if you like Google Maps, you can do that. Spotify, that's always been there. But I can't wait for the other apps that are going to be integrated into CarPlay, because I think it's going to be awesome. So we'll see you in the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.